The J-10C is a multi-role fighter jet equipped with advanced air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry. Its capabilities have been compared to the American F-16, with particular strengths in air superiority missions. The deal comes after Cairo declined offers from both the United States and Russia to upgrade or replace its fleet. Egypt reportedly considered, but ultimately rejected, an American package for modernizing its F-16s to the F-16V variant. Additionally, the country turned down Russian offers for MiG-29 fighters, following negative experiences with the MiG-29M aircraft purchased from Russia in 2015.